and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk High Ambush collab, this time in the Flash Lime colorway. And boy, is this a bright one. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing perks for our members on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Nike Dunk High Ambush collab that was done in the Flash Lime colorway. This is a beautiful bright colorway for the summer. So we're going to go through the overview of the shoe, and then we're going to talk about size and fit on this one, followed by styling. I had so much fun styling this just because Yoon also had a capsule that was dropped that matches this color scheme perfectly. Then I'm going to bring out some of my other colorways that I have also done videos on in the Nike Dunk High Ambush collaboration. As you see, I've got my fuchsia out here, and I'm going to bring the other two down. Then we're going to talk about how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump into this overview. All right, so literally this color scheme matches my sticky notepad to a T. I might actually just bring it out because literally, like, look at that. Is that not the spitting image of a flash green colorway? Or am I crazy? I think it matches it perfectly. So again, I love to talk about the quality on the ambush dunks. This is by far one of the highest leather quality shoes that I have recently purchased this year from Nike. I think that they just have done an impeccable job on the leather quality of these. As you can see, there's tumbled leather on the front of the toe box here, some nice smooth leather on the toe region. And working our way up to the tongue, we've got the matching Flash Lime laces that blend in perfectly. Then we've got the Flash Lime leather tongue and that dual logo on the top there with the Nike and Ambush logo. So if you're not feeling the Flash Lime laces, they do give you two other variations. So we've got it in the black and the white. And again, these laces are a waxed kind of texture. This actually doesn't feel as waxy as, I don't know, they're actually pretty much the same. So I have actually heard that the reason that we are receiving wax laces on this is because of the trinkets that you're going to be able to add to the laces. So it will just actually stay and not move around. We've also got a nice little detail on the edge of the lace here. This is really cool. It's just like a nice kind of structural pattern that we've got going on here, and some little dots. Just a nice kind of way to make these look more luxurious, I guess, but nice that we have these two other options. So let's take a quick look at those details and we'll move on to the side panels. so moving on to the side panels, my favorite part of this shoe is this kind of 3D looking swoosh that extends beyond the heel of the shoe in this matte black. So that is on top of the underlays of that flash lime leather that's nicely tumbled. Moving on our way to the back of the heel, you'll see that we've got this extension off the heel and the ambush logo in that 3D print. Working our way around, we've got another 3D kind of swoosh that extends again off to the back of that heel, as you can see. Working our way to the inside of the shoe, we've got that exposed tongue with the foam there that you can see, and a green insole with ambush boldly printed in black with the Nike logo, swoosh logo as well. And the shoe is then finished off with more of that flash lime color scheme on the midsole and outsole. So let's take a final look at all those details. All right, so moving on to size and fit. I am typically a size 9 in women's, a size 7.5 in men's, and I stuck true to size on this one as a 7.5, size 9. I think that you should stick true to size on this one. I do have narrow, high arch feet, so definitely take into consideration what type of foot you may have. If you have flat, wider feet, that may decipher a different size. And I also like to wear my shoes on a little bit larger of a size because I do like wearing thicker socks. All right, now let's jump into styling. This was so much fun to style. This is gonna be such a fun color to wear during the summertime. And I had so much fun styling it because I picked up a few pieces from the ambush capsule that dropped. So I'm actually wearing right now the sports bra, and it's just really cool and intricate, and the way that it kind of has this like choker look to it, I'm obsessed with. But I love this fuchsia color scheme. So bringing out the fuchsia colorway, you can see how perfectly this fits with this top, but I also have the dark royal and the black and white colors as well. I think that this also goes very well with the capsule look that dropped. The only color that I don't think really fits the vibe of the capsule are this dark royal blue tone, just because there's not really a royal blue on any part of the outfits that she released, but I do think these three colors go perfectly with the look. But I do love this green tone with the sports bra. I think it really pops. And I also got the Moto pants, which are sick. I think it's very intricate and detailed in the pattern, and the quality is top notch, but not to mention those pants go with all three of these shoes, so I'm pretty excited to mix and match them.
Spaceship tear through the sky, leave regrets in, wish I said motion built in, wondering what would happen, think I'll leave it all behind. I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. Show you what I'm made of and give my dreams life. I'll put it all on the line, just like I'm young, wild and alive.
For the second look, I decided to just keep it nice and simple. So I wore a black hoodie with some leather biker shorts. I think that leather really is going to go great, especially because it kind of is a backdrop to this bright, potent color. And I think obviously, you know, as far as the collection goes, this is by far one of the brightest colors. So this is for sure going to be the look at me statement piece. You can't really hide them because they're basically glowing. But I do love this paired with an all black look.
Feels not part of the plan. Taking the wheel into my own hands. Green on the signal, foot on the gas tonight. If I want to, I'm never late. And if I want to watch me, I can. Circle the globe and do it again, I might.
For the first or last and final look, I decided to wear a tight jumper. So it's kind of a tight pair of pants. They're connected with this kind of cute overall top and that charcoal gray. I think charcoal gray goes amazing with these. Again, kind of becoming the backdrop of this look. But this is definitely a color that's going to be so much fun to play with, and it's definitely going to be that pop out piece for your summer wear that you decide to pair it with.
Wishes and hopes and bets, wondering what would happen. Think I'll leave it all behind. I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine. Don't tell me I'm
All right, that's it for those 3 looks. You let me know down below what's your favorite out of the 3, or how would you style these shoes?
You want to take it slow, hop up on my jet and roll to Tokyo. What you see is what you get. Peep that gram and see me flex. Don't hit me with those street texts. Fuck boys want but get no sex.
Now let's conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. These shoes retailed at $180, and it makes sense because you will know if you have these in hand how high quality this shoe is. I mean, it's insane. The leather is just top tier. As far as resale goes, these are going between $250 to $300 depending on what size you are. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks again for tuning in. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up as well. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks I don't want you to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next one.